Hello guys, welcome to another lesson of Microsoft PowerPoint. So, today's topic is charts and tables. To add a chart, you have to go to the Insert tab here, and there is a group called Illustrations. In there, you can see the chart option. You have to click on it and this dialog box will appear. On the left side, you can see there are many types of charts you can choose. For this example, I'm going to use simple column chart and I click OK. So they provide you a database and you can edit this database, and according to that, this chart will change. Okay. And if you want to edit data after you do some things, and you can choose from here. Here is edit data and click edit data, and you can edit as you wish. Now if you want to format the chart, you can click anywhere on the chart and there is a tab called format. So there are many options. You can choose the object you want to format and click that and choose how to format them. So there is another tab called chart design, and there are some options there also. You can choose chart styles from here and change colors and such like that. Now, if you want to add an existing chart to your presentation, you can go to the Insert tab and there is an option called Object here. You have to click on that and this dialog box will appear. Now, there are options to choose the object type. So if you want to choose from a file which is already existing, you can browse from here and link it to the chart. For now, I'm going to create a new one, Microsoft Excel chart. Click OK, and now they give you this a chart. So then here at the bottom you can see there is a tab called Sheet 1. This is the database which is used to draw this chart. You can edit the database here and the chart will change accordingly. Now let's see how to add tables and format them. So for that I'm going to get a new slide. So I'm going to add the table here. In the Insert tab, you can see there is an option called Table here. In here, you can see this side is the number of columns, and from top to bottom, this side is the number of rows. You can choose the table as you wish, but if there is a table which is not included in here, you can draw or insert table. If you click insert table, they ask how many number of columns and how many number of rows you want to add. And if you choose draw table, you get a pencil and you can draw a table here. I'm going to delete that. Okay. So to format the table, you can click on the table and there is a tab called Table Design. You can choose table styles and shading, borders, etc. from this table design, and the tab called Layout has other options you can do with a table. So to add more columns or rows, you can see here there are insert above, below, left, right. So if you want to add a row, you can select if you want the row to be added above or below, and it will add accordingly. So if you want to add a column, you can choose whether you want to add it to left or to right. Okay. Now if you want to delete a row or a column, you have to choose the column or row, and there is an option called delete. You can delete columns and you can choose a row and delete rows. So if you want to delete the whole table, you can choose the table and delete table. So that's all about charts and tables. Thank you.